Welcome to Japan Booth. Experience the beauty of Japan culture where tradition takes innovation and every gesture speaks of respect and care. From the art of presentation to the spirit of omodesy. Genuine wholeheartedly hospitality this booth will take you on a journey through Japan's rich heritage and serene charm. Invite us to explore the grace and wonder of Japan.
Kira-kira lagi na sila. Delay ang internet. Si Hayabusa. Lain saya si Hayabusa kapil kayak. Si Ma'am Jo, asam nagatabang si Ma'am Jo. Natalikod man. Tadi apa sakit? Gitu nila? Relaxing kayo ba? Sila may kaya na ako na. Smile na si Jame oh. Oh man, apil si saya si kuan lagi.
Welcome to Sakura Hotel. We strive to offer more than just a place to stay. We provide a perfect balance of an additional Japanese tradition and modern comfort, ensuring that from the moment you arrive, you feel ease, valued, and truly at home in the heart of the city. Sakura Hotel.
Of our hospitality both fair, the innovation of bones. We will get to see how each group brings hospitality to life through excellent customer service.